10 Weight Loss Tips.
Your weight is an important factor in your social, romantic, and physical life on a day-to-day basis.
Sooner or later, you will have to decide if you need to begin focusing on losing a few pounds and moving towards a healthier, more successful you. When you do, the information here will help guide you along the path and reach your destination a little bit quicker. 1. One way to make exercise fun and increase the speed of weight loss is by adopting a pet. If you've been wanting to take on the responsibility of a dog, during your diet is a great time to do it. Your dog will encourage you to get out for exercise, in the form of walks or play, and will eat those leftovers off your plate before you do. 2. In an effective weight loss program, weight training should not be neglected. Cardio exercise is the real key to burning fat, but a certain amount of weight training remains vital. Weight training tones muscles and improves posture, keeping the body efficient and healthy as it slims down. It also improves the body's appearance, so that the exercisers becomes not only slender but also attractive. 3. A great way to lose weight is to search online for health food recipes. Eating healthy can become extremely bland and boring if you don't get inventive in the kitchen. No one wants to eat the same food over and over again. There are thousands of healthy recipes readily available online. 4. As portion sizes have gotten larger, so have our waistlines.
The next time you go out to eat, try sharing a single entree with someone instead of trying to eat the whole thing yourself.
You can also split the dessert, or even a drink. This way you can still enjoy your meal without eating so much. 5. Get plenty of rest if you are trying to lose weight. Lack of sleep can affect the hormones responsible for regulating hunger. If you do not get at least 7 hours of sleep every night, you run the risk of an increased appetite. 6. Don't be in such a hurry to get the food down your throat. Pace yourself. If you eat slowly and savor your food, you will not only appreciate what you are eating, but also the chances of you overeating are less likely. Your brain will know that your stomach is full after having eaten only a single portion, rather than after consuming enough food for several people. 7. Share a meal when you go out to eat. Today's restaurant portions are often quite large and actually too much food for one person. Split a meal with a friend and ask the waitress for extra plates. Discuss this with your friend before you get to the restaurant. This will make it easier to decide on a meal that both of you will enjoy. 8. If your child is facing obesity, a healthy weight loss plan should include talking to them about healthy foods and portion control. You likely can't be with your child 24 hours a day. Therefore, you can't monitor everything they are putting into their bodies. If you educate them about healthy choices, however, they are more likely to make them. 9. Excessive weight loss can be bad for your health. While it is great to be healthy and fit, it is not healthy to be underweight. This can cause an array of health conditions. Make sure that you are the proper weight for your height and age. It is more important to eat right and get exercise than anything else. 10. No two people can follow the exact same pattern, but these tips that are offered above are great for nearly any size and lifestyle. You can find a way to adjust the routines and fit yourself into a schedule that results in looking and feeling better than ever before. It is never too late to start dropping a pant size.